Welcome back to Faraday's Juniors channel. Today we are going to explore some benefits of gamma function. That gamma function can be able to help us evaluate what integration of limits within the shortest possible time. Okay, so let's assume we have an integral from 0 to infinity of x exponent of 7 e exponent minus what? Let's say x dx, right? So if we are to evaluate this function, we can see that what is clearly in the form of what the gamma function, right? Of course, gamma function of x is given by integral from 0 to infinity t exponent of x minus 1 e exponent minus t dt. So if you compare this critically, you can see that this one corresponds to whatever we are seeing here, right? And then similarly we are getting it. So it's just close to it, right? So you can just compare and say that what x minus 1 is the same as 7 here. So we can see x minus 1 is equal to 7. Therefore, the value of x is equal to what? 8. Is equal to 8. It means that whatever we see here is the same as what? Gamma of what? 8. Okay. Don't forget, gamma of 8 is the same as what? 8 minus 1 all factorial. So we can say this is the same as 7 factorial. And then we know that the result of what? 7 factorial is the same as what? 5040. So these are some of the benefits of what? The gamma function.